Teaching couples on Valentine's Day to vandalizing gift shops, from harassing young boys and girls to open protest all over the country. India's moral policing brigade is above all law, and it's completely in their hands to say what's legal and what's illegal in the country. Hi, I'm Kaveri Singh and the show is 10 Minutes of India. Our guest for today is Mrs. Pooja Joshi, who is in her own words an avid supporter of moral policing brigade. Welcome to our show, Pooja. So tell us why supporting the moral brigade?
You give me a reason why not to.
For starters, it's very much against the democracy, but especially against the fundamental rights.
So what? Do we forget our traditions and culture just to follow these fundamental rights?
So basically you mean to say that the constitution of our country or the law of our country is useless for you people?
No, I am not saying that. I am just saying we should keep a check on these youngsters so they shouldn't follow the Western culture blindly.
Is it their own decision? I mean, it's their life and we have to give them freedom.
No, they shouldn't be given so much of freedom. In our times, we used to follow our traditions and culture, and romance was only constricted to bedroom. But look at the youngsters these days. They are hugging and kissing in the middle of the road, and girls going to bars and pubs in the midnight. This is utter nonsense.
Well, I'm glad that people of such mindset didn't frame our constitution. Okay, so tell me, what about the politics involved?
Politics is necessary to make a difference. It is only because of them that we have succeeded in making this Valentine's Day a disaster for these lovey-doveys.
On this note, just take a short break, but stay tuned because the show is just getting hotter. So, Mrs. Joshi, which all political parties support you in your so-called social cause? Welcome back to the show 10 Minutes of India, and we have Mrs. Pooja Joshi who is telling us about how it's all political connections behind the moral policing brigade. So Mrs. Joshi, which all political parties support you in your so-called social cause?
It's the BJP, Bajrang Dal, Shiv Sena and Ram Sena who are conserving our traditions till now.
Yes, definitely they are, and pushing the country back in the times when only powerful people had control. Let's look at these pictures. So any comments, Mrs. Joshi?
Why should I comment on this when I'm supporting them? I wish they win this election this time.
So is that you are asking for votes for the BJP? I mean, you are publicizing them?
I support them fully and I have no shame in saying this, and I request the audience to vote for these parties.
Just the last question for you. How did you bring up your children? Do you give them freedom or they are kept under constant observation? So as not to behave like today's youngsters?
I have brought up my kids with utmost care, and although they have been given full freedom to do whatever they want, they know their culture, their tradition, and I know they won't do something like these youngsters do nowadays.
Now that's an interesting answer, because we have something to show to our audience and to you now. Just have a look.
दो दिल मिल रहे हैं मगर चुपके चुपके मगर
So, Mrs. Joshi, that's your daughter with a lover, I suppose. That too in a park. Any comments, Mrs. Joshi? Mrs. Joshi,
Huh?
any comments?
No, nothing. I need to go.
With this clip, we come to a halt and hope that the moral police will learn something from the youngsters. This is the end of our show, and you can send us your queries and feedback on centaurpictures@rediffmail.com. Till then, good evening, take care, and keep smiling and enjoy.
I'm sitting here in the boring room. It's just another rainy Sunday afternoon. I'm wasting my time, I got nothing to do. I'm hanging around, I'm waiting for you, but nothing ever happens. And I wonder